Besides being bold and reliable, retro trucks carry a healthy portion of nostalgia, letting us relive the glory days of auto manufacturing. Today, we invite you to do some window shopping and look at companies that restore and reinvent the coolest classic trucks. Let's get started. Revival Series by Fat Fender Garage. The crew behind the brand's Revival Series gives a second life to vintage trucks by bringing in a brand new Porterbuilt frame, swapping in a powerful engine unit, restoring the bodywork, freshening up the paint, and modernizing the cabin with premium materials. The Fat Fender portfolio features a handful of restorations. This slammed F100 with a gorgeous wide-body exterior and a 5-liter Coyote engine under the hood. This 1967 F100 truck has deep maroon paint accentuated by golden wheels and grille, and a Coyote engine with a Whipple supercharger and a 6-speed automatic. Finally, the company's latest restoration concerns the 1985 square body C10. This Chevy received 3/4-inch flares, a fresh coat of red paint with white impact stripes, and an LS3 crate engine with a supercharger. Desert Power Wagons. This North Carolina company is dedicated to reinventing trucks that were originally manufactured back in the 1940s. They can either keep the stock cab or stretch it to create a 4-passenger crew cab. It's then mounted on a customized, powder-coated frame with robust axles and an upgraded suspension. The latter includes a 2.5-inch lift, an adaptable track bar, front coil springs, rear leaf springs, and remote res shocks on all sides. Unlike the majority of builders, Desert Power Wagons don't use crate engines from GM, but rather go for Cummins turbo diesels. These are paired with a 6-speed automatic, a 4-wheel drive, and a shift-on-the-fly transfer case. The leather-wrapped cabin is much nicer than it was almost a century ago and has a small infotainment display, wireless smartphone capability, and navigation. Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series. This year, Toyota's most retro-looking model loses the V8 power. Instead, a 5-speed manual option is obtained for the 4-cylinder engine. The only remaining powertrain option is the 2.8-liter turbo diesel. It makes 201 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. This unit uses either a 6-speed automatic or a 5-speed manual with revised gearing for better efficiency. Design-wise, the truck keeps a blocky exterior with circular LED headlamps, a vintage-inspired square grille, a small hood vent, wide bumpers, black over fenders, and 16-inch alloy wheels. The minimalist cabin is modernized with a new instrument cluster. It now features a 4.2-inch color display and a 6.7-inch infotainment with wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. .782 Motors. This Australian company is renowned for showcasing, selling, and restoring classic cars. Their show floor is heaven on earth for every retro truck enthusiast. Here you'll be able to find the more traditional Chevrolet, Ford, and GMC builds, as well as quirky regional iconics like this 1977 Holden HX Sandman. The fully restored Ute rocks a fresh coat of original metallic paint, period-specific decals on the body, 14-inch GST wheels, red striped tires, and twin headlights in the front. The interior was revamped with a new set of carpets, door, and seat trims. Under the hood is the original L31 V8 engine with a 5-liter displacement. It went through an extensive rebuild process, got a new carburetor, and channels its power through a 4-speed manual. Himalaya Defender 90 Tonka. This South Carolina-based company is the one-stop shop for turning your wildest customization dreams into reality. Known for producing the drivable artwork, Himalaya specializes in re-engineering vintage Land Rovers and elevating them with modern gear. This Defender 90 was inspired by Tonka toys. It features a single cab design with a bold grille, black contrasting fender flares, and tasteful green and yellow color scheme. Underneath the revamped bodywork hides an upgraded suspension, an LS3 engine, custom wire harnesses, and modern Willwood disc brakes. Interior amenities are represented by hand-stitched leather trims, a custom center console, and an insulation package that elevates the modern audio system. ECD Project Poppins. This classic restoration project started with a crew cab Defender 110. The dual-tone exterior paint job goes well with contrasting black bumpers and a roll cage. The truck has matching 18-inch wheels with AT tires and a blacked-out front grille. The fully custom interior greets you with a leather-wrapped dashboard, vintage gauges, a Momo steering wheel, and reupholstered seats with inserts that rock a checkered pattern. Despite the look, this Defender boasts many modern amenities, a premium sound system, the support of Apple CarPlay, and multiple USB ports for your gadgets. The power comes from an LS3 crate engine that channels 565 horsepower through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Toyota FJ by ECD Auto. The looks of classic Toyotas bring up fond memories in the minds of many drivers. Guys at ECD Auto Design have thought about this group of drivers and extended their services to FJ40 and FJ60 models. Their creations are improved with a 6.2-liter V8 engine by Chevrolet and a 6-speed automatic gearbox. These new components are matched with an upgraded fuel system, a stainless steel exhaust system, and full disc brakes for confident braking. The refined off-road driving experience comes courtesy of heavy-duty axles, anti-sway bars, and a revised suspension setup. Finally, the interior greets you with hand-stitched leather seats, a custom-made center console, a premium audio system, and other modern goodies. Kahn Defender 90. Kahn Designs is one of the biggest players in the business of bespoke vehicle customization, not only in the UK, but also on the world stage. The brand develops parts and does custom builds for modern and retro vehicles, just like this tailor-made Defender 90. With the Wide-Track 03 treatment, this Defender was converted to a single cab layout, with the rear seat area now serving as a truck bed. The wider track ensures better riding stability in challenging road environments. Design-wise, the build features a mustard yellow exterior with a contrasting black roll bar, a grille with a stainless steel mesh, an all-round diamond LED light kit, robust side steps, and retro-forged alloy wheels. This was the last entry in today's video, but certainly not the last vehicle we want to share with you. Right, I want more in the comments to make the second part of this series happen. Don't forget to follow the Automotive territory, and may the torque be with you.